Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss about for loop in C. So for loop allows us to execute a specific block of code repeatedly a known number of times. And in this loop contains the initialization and condition checking and variable modification in a single line. So the syntax is for and initialization, and after that semicolon, condition checking, semicolon. Here is the update statement like increment or decrement value, and open the braces. Here we are implementing the logic or block of codes. So this initialization will runs only once, and the condition checking evaluates before each iterations, and increment and decrement execute at the end of each iteration. So we can check with one example. So suppose we need to print numbers 1 to 10. So here we can tell for int I equal to 1. So that is the initialization in I equal to 1. Here we can tell the condition. So we are telling I less than or equal to 10. Then each iteration we need to increment some value. So in that time we can tell I plus plus, and we are opening the brace. Here we are putting printf percentage d variable I. We can just put some tab also slash t. So int I equal to 1, just initialize this value, and after that the condition is checking I less than 10. Yes. So it will execute this statement inside of this loop. 1 will print. After that, it will increment this I plus plus, then next is 2, right? So again it will check 2 less than 10. Yes, then it will print 2. So it will loop like if the condition is false, then only it will exit from this loop. So this will execute continuously. So we will run this. We will get output 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Suppose we can declare the variable in outside also. Suppose we are telling int I here. Then we have just initialize the value I equal to 1. We have just run this code. We will get the same output. And these conditions also, this checking also options only. This condition checking also optional only. Suppose we are removing this and just a semicolon only here. We will run this code. This will not work because we are not initializing any value, right? Suppose here we are initializing the value I equal to 1. Then we will run this code. Then also we will get the output. And this condition checking also, that also optional, because we will remove this condition checking. Then what will happen? I equal to 1, and it will print continuously. It will not exit from this loop. See, we need to stop this. So here we can put some conditions. So that's true, then only it will go through the loop and it will exit from. If the condition is false, then it will exit from that loop. So we can tell I less than or equal to 100. We will run this. We will get numbers up to 100. This condition also we can give like option. So we'll run this. So I is equal to 1, I less than 100. So it will print 1, but it will not increment anything, right? So this will also work like infinitely. We'll run this, see, we can stop this. In this case, we can increment the value here also by plus plus. We'll run the code. Then also we'll get the output. Suppose we want to print number from 100 to 1 in descending order. So in that time we can tell I equal to 100, I greater than 0. Then we can tell I minus minus. We will run this, and also we will get the output. So numbers are in descending order now. Suppose we want to print the sum also. So here we can tell sum equal to 0. Int sum equal to 0. Sum plus equal to can type I. Then we can just print f the sum. Print f slash n sum equal to percentage d. You can tell the variable sum. So we'll run this, we'll get output 5050. We can print numbers up to 10. Then we will get 55. So in for loop, the initialization that runs only once. The condition checking evaluates before each iterations. And this update things execute at the end of each iteration. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.